Hi, I'm Lisa from Clean Corp, and today I'm going to be sharing the secret of how to find reliable office cleaners for your business. Has reliability been an issue in your previous cleaners? Because many people report that to us when they contact us here at Clean Corp. The fact is, if you're hiring a cleaning company who's only using international students, then you are going to have some reliability issues, particularly around exam time. And that's why it is so important to work with a cleaning company who hire professional cleaners. And by that, I mean cleaners who provide cleaning services for a living. In other words, that's all they do. Because of that, you don't have that problem where exam time comes up and suddenly the reliability goes down. You don't have that problem of consistency where you've had one great cleaner and now you've got somebody else who's not so good. So hiring a business like Clean Corp who take the time to hire only professional, highly qualified and highly trained cleaning team members means that you will get a great outcome at every visit. And remember, it's important that you work with a company who have more than one or two staff members, because when they want to go on holidays, what will happen for you and what will happen for your cleaning? You don't want that. What you're looking for is reliability and consistency. And I'm very happy to tell you that with Clean Corp, that's exactly what we do. We have a huge team of professional cleaners right across Australia and New Zealand, and we would love to hear from you if you need better, more reliable and more consistent cleaning in your business. So contact us today at cleancorp.com or call us on 1300 211 944. I'm Lisa from Clean Corp, and we look forward to hearing from you really soon.